as a family, we cherish having good quality family time together, having heaps of fun and getting out and doing different things together. Getting on the water, big family fishing adventures is always very high on the list. When we're at home, we love cranking up our flare fire and cooking pizzas, and the kids having marshmallows, and you know, we have good quality time together. Tonight we're going to be doing one of our family favourites. It's snapper and prawn pizzas. We're going to be cooking it on the flare fire with the pizza box, and we're going to show you how to do it. So the way we've set up our pizza oven here, it's all about good constant heat. So we've raked all the embers underneath our grill plate. We've got our pizza box sitting on there. We've got 2 pizza stones under there. We find that with the double pizza stones, it really distributes the heat and makes it a lot more even. And then obviously we've just got a fire going in the other corner, which just keeps producing embers so we can keep them going under there. Oh yeah, that's done. Cheers guys. Oh, and there we go. That's the perfect way to end a great day, cooking marshmallows on the flare fire.